reaction lang kasi na-ambush interview si Attorney Zulaika sa Senate at ang sabi niya pag maghanda raw sa Typhoon Inday. Yun yung po yung sabi niya, parang ano, wait. Prepare for Typhoon Inday.
Oh, maganda rin sila kasi usually pag bagyo wala sila. Kaya baka maganda rin po sila. Nakahanda naman po kami lahat.
Anyone po from the prosecution panel?
Totoo naman pong may bagyong Inday, so maghanda po tayo para sa bagyo.
Follow up on that. Kasi po para pumunta si Attorney Zulaika Lopez sa Senate, and yun po yung sasabihin niya na prepare for Typhoon Inday, baka po lang, sakali lang. Pumunta po si VP Sara next week sa Senate Impeachment Court. And I think, yun naman din po yung gusto, I think, ni Attorney Lorna Capunan, even last I think Tuesday yata, sinabi niya yun. Are we prepared na?
Nung na-announce po kasi yung pangalan ng bagyo, yung mga kaibigan po nila, mga BFF nila, nag-post na po lahat na Presidente, maganda na po kayo, parating na yung Typhoon Inday. So last week pa yon, marami nang nag-post din. So siguro, yun lang po yung masasabi ni Attorney Zulaika at the moment. So at least siya, mas sanay na siya. So mag-ready lang tayo. Para sa bagyo ha, hindi dun sa impeachment kasi nakahanda naman po yung prosecutors.
Sir,
Matagal na nakahanda.
Sir, may similarities ba? Parehong hindi magla-landfall.
Pa-Taiwan no? Parang lumihis. Parang lumilihis yung bagyo. Magandang bagay yun kasi at least, di ba, hindi mahihirapan yung mga lugar po na madalas tamaan ng bagyo. Makakapagtrabaho po yung mga tao. Hindi po sila magugulo, hindi po sila may istorbo. Hindi magugulo yung mga media. Tapos 1 minute lang. Di ba? So, okay na rin po yun. Okay na din po siguro yun.
If in case lang po na pumunta po si VP Sara and humarap siya involuntarily, sa prosec po ba ang magdadirect sa kanya, private, public?
Wala pa pong final decision on that.
Baka hindi pa pero feeling ko si Rog di ba? May feeling lang ako, pero hindi naman ako, syempre hindi naman ako. Hindi nga ako official spokesperson. Unofficial spokesperson lang ako. So hindi rin ako makakapag-comment masyado tungkol doon.
How about Attorney Capunan since she was the first to bring that up last week?
Yeah, again, wala pa pong final decision on who will conduct the direct on the Vice President or the Zulaika, if ever they will appear or be someone.
Sabi niyo po ready na. Thank you.
Hindi kasi...
ready lahat.
Ready naman.
Ready ang prosecutors.
Siyempre kung bagyo, kailangan bagyo rin yung pantapat mo, di ba? Diba?
Ready ang
Bagyong Lorna.
So si Attorney Capunan nga.
No, honestly, wala pang final decision on who will conduct the presentation of the witness.
Just to add quickly, as we've stated, whether or not she will attend before the impeachment court, or appear before the impeachment court, that's the respondent's prerogative. But well, if she will decide to do so, that has been what the public has been asking for. Everyone has been waiting for her to personally respond to these serious allegations against her, because as we know, we recognize and respect her right to remain silent, but silence does not answer serious allegations of unexplained wealth consisting of billions of financial transactions, of grave threats again against the life of the president, of confidential funds amounting to hundreds of millions of pesos, and bribery in the DepEd. So that's it.